close, bro. Dude, he turned around on me. He's straight up.
Okay, we have 2 civilians attending to him.
I don't know. Who's got eyes on him?
Back up.
Seriously, he was right where you picked me up, bro. He was on that left side.
Police stop. I mean, police stop. A lady's been shot in the stairs, the 4 stairs. I need an ambulance for the back of the building.
Get them out of here! Get them out!
Yo, Blasco. Yo, you about to hop up. He's laying down. He's on our next building over. Right after the gap. He's got glasses, long hair.
I need a ladder. She's gonna hold. You don't have to move the ladder.
Yo, Mike. I climbed the wall and I popped my head right in front of him, bro. He's got a book bag. He's got mag, AR, laying down.
He's got full kit.
Yeah, he's laying down, prone out, book bag next to him.
Give me a hard line.
The motor section's over here. The motor section over here. That's why I got Collins up here.
But watch out, because he can come right down on you over there.
Oh, this is gonna drop. Hold. Keep eyes on. Give me a ladder. No, eyes up. You got Matt?
Bruh.
Follow the ambulance to the stands.
Keep eyes up. Eyes up.
This building, he was on top of this building, the left one. I jumped up.
Over by the yellow crane. This is a very serious.
Left side, the first one. That one, laying down. There's a gap in between you and there.
Hey, can you get an ambulance to the VIP tent?
Let me see your hand! I got it, too big. I'm putting that hand right now. You know, come down and stop. Ready? Get me up. Let me see your hand!
Yeah.
We have a unit on the roof.
Affirmative.
Give me some towels.
Yo, Tess, you got me up once, bro. Yo, Tess, you got me up once. Get me up again.
One more.
Ready? Ready? Yep.
All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.